In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. So in order to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet, first of all, you'll have to make sure that you have enough funds, or that you've already linked your bank account or any sort of payment source. And also make sure that you have enough coins. And one of the most important part is if your account is verified or not. If your account is not verified, then you'll not be able to perform any sort of trading process. So make sure that your account is verified. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and log into your Trust Wallet account, enter in your passcode in order to get access, and then it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. As you can see right on top, there are different options such as send, receive, buy, and earn. In order to buy Bitcoin, go ahead and select the buy button. Now select the network or an asset that you wish to buy. In our case, we're buying Bitcoin, so select Bitcoin. After that, enter in the exact amount of Bitcoin that you wish to buy. As mentioned earlier, you can see there is this pay with credit card options. Make sure that you've already linked your information and click on buy. After that, it's going to take you to the official web page where it's going to show you this kind of interface. So here you begin with the payment method and all sort of things, enter in the details, and that's how you can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.